As a major player in the space for over 10 years now, when Ledger creates a product, people pay attention. The Ledger S Plus has been around since April 2022 and is one of the top choices out there for a budget hardware wallet. Its low cost of 79 USD allows crypto users to manage thousands of tokens, as well as having compatibility with 50 plus wallets, accessing dApps, and Web3 applications. The S Plus comes in sleek packaging, and I couldn't help but grab a Bitcoin-inspired orange version for my own liking. The aluminum sleeve nicely protects the plastic case against any sort of damage or pressure from the outside. One thing you can be sure of when purchasing a Ledger is their superior build quality. Every product feels well crafted and durable. The S Plus comes in gray, green, orange, pink, and tan. On the front of the device, we have the 1.09-inch monochrome 128 by 64 pixel OLED display screen. Say that 3 times fast, I dare you. Which is plenty of space to display and sign transactions. And the 62 by 17 by 8mm size, weighing 21 grams, is small and light enough to discreetly slip away. You can throw it in your pocket or forget you're even holding it. Inside the box, the S Plus comes with 3 24-word seed phrase recovery sheets, the setup guide, some black and white Ledger stickers, a strap for attaching the device to a bag or something similar, and a USB-A to C cable. Case in point, perfect for your hanging needs. If you like videos on crypto tech and hardware wallets, be sure to subscribe below. A few things to know about the Ledger S Plus. There is no battery, therefore it must be plugged into a device to use it. And with that, the S Plus has no Bluetooth option. In terms of app compatibility, the device works on the following: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Do note that the S Plus cannot connect to iOS, aka iPhone. My original thought was that this was due to the old lightning cables, but when I asked a Ledger staff member directly, he said, quote, "The Nano S Plus was never intended for use on iPhones due to restrictions in iOS. iOS does not allow devices such as the Nano S Plus to connect via cable. If you're looking for an iOS compatible hardware wallet from Ledger, you should opt for the Ledger Nano X, Flex, or Stacks. Just be aware of this. As mentioned above, you'll need to purchase a Nano X, Flex, or Stacks for iPhone use. The S Plus also uses the latest secure element chip called CCEAL6+, which is important for keeping your crypto safe. And be rest assured, the Ledger S Plus was independently certified by ANSI, a French government standards for cybersecurity certification, which is a long and costly process to undergo. The last thing you should be aware of is that the S Plus has support for managing Ethereum and Polygon NFTs, but for you Solana users out there like me, there's currently no support for Solana NFTs yet. Rumor is soon. Thankfully, they've just announced the ability to manage, buy, and swap over 130 SPL tokens on Ledger Live, such as Bonk, Whiff, and PopCat. So it's looking good for Solana's future on Ledger. Let's compare the Ledger S Plus to some of the most popular hardware wallets on the market. Here's the device compared to the original Ledger S. You can see just how small the old screen was. They've added curved edges, the aluminum shell is less slidey, and the buttons feel better when pressed. Overall, pretty big win here. Next is the S Plus compared to an upgraded Ledger Nano X. You can see the size difference, but surprisingly enough, the screen is the same exact size at 1.09 inches. The X buttons are bigger, and the device feels a bit more solid. After that is the Trezor Safe 3, one of the S Plus's main competitors. The Safe 3 feels more boxy, and the edges are sharper. Also, the S Plus is considerably smaller once you put the aluminum arm over the device. Next is the Tangem Wallet, which gives you a better size perspective compared to a credit card. If anything, it shows how compact the S Plus really is. And for the Tangem ring, as you'd expect, a ring is much smaller than the S Plus. Lastly, here is the S Plus up against the mammoth SecuX Neo X. The image here says it all. Well, there you have it for the Ledger Nano S, a great hardware wallet for new users and those on a budget who want a bit more crypto protection. To grab one for yourself, click on the link in the description below. And if you want more updates on hardware wallets and crypto tech, make sure to like and subscribe as well. Yeah, catch you in the next one.